Hello, I'm Ishna and you can connect with me on my YouTube channel Ishna B for fragrance reviews. Today I have Menjewell's universally appealing fragrance Precious Women with me. Let's start with the packaging first. A solid sturdy white glass bottle, this looks divine when displayed on your vanity. The beautiful lid of this perfume resembles a crown, giving this fragrance a luxurious feeling. The name of the perfume is mentioned on the front and the name of the brand is embossed in the front and the back. The major accord of this scent is sweet and cozy. You will get the juicy bit of blackcurrant and pear on the top, while iris and jasmine are there at the heart along with a citrus touch. Finally, the base has patchouli and amber with a touch of sweetness to it. It's an elegant powdery perfume which is very simple, very sober. This EDP is perfect for formal environment like workplace, and its appeal can draw women from 25 to 55 age bracket. Perfectly suited for Indian climate, this is a great pick for focused and career-oriented women. Also, according to me, this can be an amazing gifting option.